Why would this woman think it's okay to punch her best friend in the face in front of the police?
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Last warning.
Bro, get her off my house. Get her out my house. Bro, can you get her out my house? Get her off.
Let's go.
Get her out my house.
Let her go.
Bro, get her out my house. Can you get her out my house? Can you get her out my house? Can you get her out my house? My baby 3 months. Can you get her out my house?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can you
Put
get
your
her
hands
out
behind
my
your back
house?
right now.
Can you get her out my house?
Bro, she hit me.
Can you get her out my house? My baby 3 months.
Put your hands behind your back.
See my house. You see my house. You see my house though.
You got it, Tanae.
Y'all see my house though.
For sure, for sure.
Y'all see it. And I just told you.
Hold on, let me get my phone.
I just said it.
Let me get my purse right here on the car. Right here on the hood. Right here on the hood. Sir, she had me first.
I told
I'm gonna be compliant.
She let you go.
No, she did, sir.
Yes, she did. And the second she let you go, you threw a fist. That was stupid.
You right.
That was dumb.
All right, you right, but I was in there for 3 minutes.
Do you have anything in your pockets that's no poker picking at all?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope,
You're checking
sir.
out the backside of my hand.
I'm like the first one that she put her hands
Dear,
on.
dear,
That's fine.
Can you stand over there for me? Dear,
I put your hand.
I got you. Can you stand over there for me?
press charges. I'm gonna let her have that because I got no.
October 11th, 2025, Akron, Ohio. Officers responded to a disturbance call at a private residence. 2 women, 1 house, 1 3-month-old baby inside. By the time it was over, someone was in handcuffs and it wasn't the person who called for help. Officers arrived to find an active fight. They moved to separate the 2 women. The subject was being held. The order was given to release. She released. That was the moment. The second the grip came off, she swung, a closed fist directly at her best friend's face. The officer was standing right there. The officer didn't need a statement. He watched it happen, but he explained it anyway because the subject seemed to need the recap. In Ohio, that punch has a name. Simple assault, Ohio Revised Code, Section 2903.13, a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 180 days.
How old are you?
I'm only 18.
You only 18?
Yes, please.
Please, can you run on my window or do something to my eyes? Please.
Ambulance is on its way.
Please.
Ain't really much they can do.
Please. Am I going to jail?
Probably.
Please, no. Wait.
What's going on, man? I'm here to do the investigation of the force the officer used during the arrest. Can you just kind of tell me what happened between officers?
I don't know, bro. This ain't got nothing to do with me. I don't know what's going on, bro. Who was who, bro? Pulled up, bro. Shit going on. I don't know. We all pulled up, nigga. I don't know, bro.
What happened with the officer?
She heard this. She understood this. And she spent the next several minutes explaining why jail was the wrong outcome for her specifically. Officers listened. The arrest continued. Most people at this point stopped talking. She kept going.
Did you see?
Well, officer, no, I mean, he pepper sprayed.
Yeah, what happened? Tell me about that.
Shit, that was a real fight. He pepper sprayed.
They're fighting and you pepper sprayed? Alright.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. He pepper sprayed.
Yeah.
We ain't doing the extra shit, though.
Yeah.
He told him to stop fighting and shit.
From what you saw that happen, did you think that was unreasonable for the officer to do that? Or?
Oh, the pepper spray?
Yeah.
Shit, bro. Y'all the officers, bro. Y'all got your little law, however y'all go about it. Shit, if he feel like it was lawful, you know what I'm saying, to stop the situation.
Yeah,
shit,
I'm asking your opinion now. What was your thoughts on this?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. As soon as that shit, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna just keep hunting, bro. I'm drunk. Feel me, bro? When this shit happened, I'm drunk, bro. I ain't really paying attention. I heard him spray the shit. That shit affected everybody in that motherfucker.
Y'all was broken up because how you get broke up and then punch her dead in the face after she had you in the
Officer,
head off?
please, can you just give me a warning, please?
You don't get warnings when you turn 18.
Oh, she 18?
Yeah, she 18.
Yeah. I don't really need anything. I'll write just assault.
If you wanted to do the 12, she can do it. But
No.
Alright.
I know she kind of locked up with a bunch of shit.
She got sprayed, so she back
I know
there
there's not
crying.
much, I know there's nothing you can do. Right, but per our policy, I gotta call from them after you.
Yeah, I see that. Hi.
Hi.
Are you the one that was fighting with this girl?
I can't see.
Are you coming straight in?
No, I ain't going straight in the pepper spray though. It's the baby.
They were not at the house. They can't see. My baby need to get in the car. Can you put my baby in the car?
I'm about to serve me his car then.
Can y'all say, get my baby outside?
Get the water. Nice, right quick.
Nighttime, what
Come here. Come here. Come here.
I can't tell you. I just move. My eyes, sir. Can you do something about my eyes?
What you do about your eyes?
They burn.
I mean, that's what happens when someone to give you a lawful order to stop fighting. You want to punch someone
He
in the
didn't
face.
do that. He didn't do it.
You
My
just-
eyes, can you use my shirt, please?
It's gonna make it worse.
Please. How long am I gonna be in jail?
Till Monday.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Thank you. We're 23 recess.
You guys all good?
No.
You can sit in the back of my cruiser.
Okay, please just put water in it. Please
Listen,
just do
sit
something.
down in the back of my cruiser. I'm
I
gonna guide you.
can't see.
I understand. I'm
Please.
gonna guide you.
Please
Sit
just put
down,
water
right
in my
Go ahead,
eye.
put your feet in for me, please.
Please just put water in my eye.
Okay.
Please.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Wooden with the Akron Police Department. Can you kind of tell me what happened tonight between... To your what?
My eye.
I don't have anything to do to those.
Can you put some water in it? Can you wipe my eyes with my shirt? Can you do something? Please. So nicely, please. Excuse me.
Man, there's nothing I can do. It's just going to take time. I mean, you got to give it time and it'll get better, okay? You kind of want to tell me what happened tonight?
The victim, the homeowner, was interviewed separately. She had a 3-month-old baby in that house. She had been asking everyone to leave for hours. She called the police to end it. When the officer asked to photograph her injuries, she declined. That matters not for what she felt, but for what the case needs. OC spray had been deployed indoors. The officer explained why. The subjects were too close for a taser. The fight was still active. He made the call. A sergeant arrived to investigate the use of force. Standard procedure, he asked the subject what happened. She told him, "We were fighting. I hit her, and the police seen me." That is a confession, on Bodycam, to a sergeant conducting a use of force investigation. Unprompted, detailed, on the record.
They did?
I don't remember. No, my eyes burn.
Thank you.
All right, man, I'm Sergeant Wooden. I'm here to kind of just investigate what happened between the officer and everything that happened. Can you kind of just run me through what happened?
There was a previous fight at my house between my cousin and one of my friends. They was fighting. I kept telling everybody just to please leave my house. I have a 3-month-old baby. They wouldn't leave my house. So me, they got the fight in front of my baby. My baby is 3 months. So I defended myself. I asked them nicely to get out of my house multiple times. Nobody left on my house. So when they didn't leave my house, I called y'all. They never left. So that's when it got escalated. She kept coming in my house, kept coming out of my house, breaking shit. So when I did that, I defended myself.
Okay, and then when the officer got here this time, what happened?
I was holding on to her, holding her down. And when I let her go, she swung on me. I didn't hit her back because I know I would go to jail if I hit her back in front of the police. So I didn't hit her back.
All right, and then what happened at that time? What did the officer do?
He grabbed her and he maced my whole house. He maced the whole house.
And it was inside when it happened?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I check on my baby?
Yeah, where's the baby
My
at?
baby's right here. My house is maced.
Yeah,
right
for
here.
sure. So the officer grabbed her and then sprayed her.
Yes.
So, did the officer say anything before that?
No, he told us to let go. I didn't let go.
Okay.
I holding her down.
And
I just was holding her down. Holding her by her hair. Holding her down.
Yeah.
That's it. I just was pinning her down. Didn't hit. Didn't do no hits.
Okay.
I was pinning her down.
And then the officer said let go, and then...
Yes, I let go, and she hit.
And then what happened? The officer grabbed her and
No,
sprayed her?
he maced. He didn't try to grab.
Okay.
I just feel like he should have grabbed. That's all. That's it. That's all. I've been in my house. He already he just left there with literally 30 minutes ago. About the same situation. I kept asking everybody to leave my house then. Nobody left. Tanasia!
No, I can't talk to you. You just got my. You done.
Tanasia.
You done. You done.
Okay,
You
that's fine,
disrespecting
but
my
can you
baby.
come
bro.
here? That's
No.
cool.
I'm sorry. Can I say
Tanasia,
something?
that's cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put in the report, please?
Tanasia, bro, that's
Bro, you just
And you
threw
want her
my whole
trespass,
life
right?
away,
Yes.
Okay.
Tanasia.
She don't want her ever here back again.
No.
Tanasia.
I'll advise her, and if she ever is at your house
Tanasia.
again, I will come in and arrest her.
Yes.
Tanasia,
What about my
don't
house? All
throw
the
my
stuff
life
that's
away,
broken
bro.
away.
That's cool.
It's broken?
No,
Yes.
just don't throw my life away,
Did-
bro.
Did she deliberately break it, or you
Like,
broke it in the middle of a
please
fight?
don't-
No,
my
she
life
kept
away.
running in my house like back and forth. I have they have
That's
cameras
cool,
next door to my house.
Tanasia, bro. That's weird.
You ain't care about my baby. I
Tanasia,
can't
you
believe
know
it.
I care about your baby, yo. Stop doing that. Do not throw my life away,
So I
bro.
can listen. I can send. I'm gonna send her for, like I said, the assault.
Do not
See, I'm gonna
send
advise
me
her on
to
the
jail.
trespass, which is all gonna be on their report as well. So
Tanasia, that's foul, bro.
if that's good with you,
Tanasia,
you just let me
do
know.
not send me to jail, bro.
like I said, I don't want to spray, but you guys are too close for me to tase.
I didn't hit. That's why I knew you was gonna spray. I'm not mad about the spray.
Yeah.
I just want I got my baby out.
Your baby cool.
Yeah.
My baby
Tanasia,
not
you
cool.
just
My
threw
baby not cool. My baby can't even breathe.
Tanasia,
Stop
you
talking to me.
know
My
I
baby
would never
not
do that
cool.
to your
My baby
kids,
not
though.
cool.
I've
But
been
it's nice all
helping
in
you
my
this
house. And
whole
if you know how
night,
many, my baby
Tanasia.
3 months. My baby was
Tanasia, I've been
premature.
helping you though.
With these,
And
but
for
they
you
don't
to say I
understand.
hit your baby,
I'm
though,
very caring. I'm very
Tanasia,
caring.
for you to say I hit your
Stop.
baby.
I don't do this.
She never said you hit her
She
child.
did,
No, she
officer.
didn't.
Yes, she did when y'all first came. You wasn't
I don't do this. I love this little girl. Like I love her. I promise you. I didn't want to do this. I promise you. All I asked you from the first time you heard me out here. I said everybody leave my house the first time. That's all I wanted. I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to.
I thought it was the same girl
That,
from
no,
before.
she was arguing with my little cousin,
Yeah.
but I kept telling them to stop. But they both young. Neither of them know how to stop. Neither of them know how to keep going. My little cousin, she came back. That's what started it. She came back to my house. They opened my door. I was upstairs making shit, checking on my baby. I come out of my room. I hear them yelling. I asked both of them to get on my stairs. They fight upstairs in my bathroom.
Yeah.
I tell her to get on I tell her to get on my house first. She didn't get on my house. She get to talking crazy, talking about.
Can I do?
This, your lights was just off, your lights just this. And don't get me wrong, I'm 21 years old and 2 kids. My mom left me here on my own. And don't get me wrong, I'm grown. I should have stuff situated. But I'm learning. And don't get me wrong. But one thing for sure, I make sure my kids is great.
The woman was arrested and
Under Graham versus Connor, use of force is evaluated based on what the officer knew in the moment, not what we know watching it back. Every decision here holds. She was charged with assault. The case was documented. The officer was cleared. Now the grades. The officer gets a B+. He managed an active fight, deployed OC spray at the right moment, and communicated clearly throughout. One note injury documentation could have been pushed harder. Minor deduction. The best friend brawler gets a D. She was released. She swung. She confessed. She had the right to remain silent. She did not exercise it. Ohio law doesn't care about your explanation. It cares about what the officer saw. The homeowner gets a B. She called for help, complied with every command, and protected her baby. One deduction for declining injury photos cooperation with documentation matters when charges go to court. If you want the footage that suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. What do you think should happen to her? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.